I'm going to show you a quick screencast about how to create a document where you can insert a table of contents. So I'm going to do a new document. And I'm just going to call it my coding syllabus. Oops. You have to be able to spell though. Syllabus. And then I'm going to get started. So I'm just going to put a title. And then once you get started, so I always know that I'm going to go up here to my text, and I know I need to have something as heading 1. So I'm going to call heading 1 introduction. And then obviously I'm going to type. And then I know maybe the next part that I'm going to have, and I know I want it to be a heading 1, is going to be classroom procedures. And then maybe underneath that, I'm going to have a heading 2, and I'll call it tardy policy. Sorry, again, spelling is important. Tardy policy, and then I would talk about it, and then maybe I would go down to make another heading, and it would be an absence policy. And then I could keep going on. And notice that it's different sizes, so the heading 1 is a little bigger than the heading 2. But once I have my syllabus in place, I can come up here and I can insert, and I go down to the bottom and I insert a table of contents, and it automatically puts it in here, and it makes it clickable so that I could just go down. Obviously we're not going very far here, but it would take me right down to it. But then if I would go in and I would create a heading 1, another policy, because I forgot to add something and I want to add it in here, all I have to do is go back up here and refresh, and it's automatically going to change my table of contents. And just up here, a lot of times I'll just type in table of contents. And then I'm able to have that. And again, as a document gets longer, it's really nice to have it clickable. When you look at this document, I have a lot in there, but it's really nice to be able to click it, because if I want to go all the way down to the bottom, it's at the very last page, I don't have to scroll through on page 15. It just automatically takes me to those things rather than going, now where was that? Oh yeah, I want to learn about the TED Ed Club membership. I just need to click there, and it's going to take me right down there to the TED Ed Club membership. So it's just a great way to create syllabuses or documents, or even handbooks or things like that, where I want to be able to click through things. So just another little tip and trick about creating class syllabus or documents where you want to insert a table of contents. The important part is just making sure that you're using headings, because that's how it's created the table of contents. Thanks. Have fun with that.